Hello and welcome to your class of economics. Now today we are going to study the conversions which are very important in the national income. So we have already seen one conversion, that is first one was from domestic income, first one, to, or you can say to national income. Now, second conversion, that is gross product is changing to net domestic product, that is GDP to NDP. Then third, gross domestic product at market price, or you can say factor cost to gross domestic product at market price, which is also known as GDP FC to GDP MP. Okay, so these three conversions are there, which is very important. First one, domestic income to national income. Okay, we have already seen this, we have already studied yesterday about this conversion. Now we have to study these two, second and third. First one, from second one is gross domestic product to net domestic product, that is GDP to NDP, and next one is gross domestic product at market price at factor cost to gross domestic product at market price, or we will see it, we can also say that GDP FC to GDP MP, or we can say that factor cost to market price, factor cost to market price. So we are going to see these three conversions, or these two conversions, and then after that we will revise the first one also. So second one, gross value to net value, or from GDP gross value GDP to gross value to net value. Okay, from GDP to NDP. So here, what is gross? Okay, for example, suppose I say you purchased a mobile cost you 10,000. Okay, that is the market price of that mobile, and after that you sell that mobile of 8,000. Okay, you can see the difference of 10,000 to 8,000. Why there is difference of 2,000? There is difference of 2,000. Why? That depreciation is charged as this is charged as an depreciation. Okay, or you can say this value will be taken as an depreciation. Okay, this value is taken as an depreciation because this mobile you have used for some time, or if you sell after 1 month also, it will cost you, it will give you only 8,000 only, not 10,000, because you have used that mobile. So after when gross value is there and you depreciate the depreciation amount, or you decrease the depreciation amount, that will give you the net value or the actual price of that mobile. So actual price, you can say the present price. In that case it will be called as net value. Okay, now again, so you are from gross domestic product changing to net domestic product. For this, what you have to do? You have to do minus depreciation. So when you are subtracting depreciation amount from gross value or gross domestic product, then it will convert to net domestic product. So again, gross value minus depreciation is equal to net value, or GDP to NDP. So when you come from GDP to NDP, or you want to convert GDP to NDP, then here it will be minus depreciation. And when you are converting NDP to GDP, then you have to do plus depreciation. Okay, so net value plus depreciation is equal to gross value. This was your second conversion. Now we move to third conversion. So third one, factor cost to market price, or that is also known as FC to MP. So what is factor cost? Suppose any product has been produced. Suppose one pen is there that has been produced for rupees 8. Okay. Now pen is there, that production cost is 8 rupees, and that is sold in the market for 10 rupees. Okay. Now here addition of 2 rupees is there, then only it has cost 10, right? So now you will think that this 2 rupees is what? Profit, right? But this 2 rupees is not profit. This is wrong. Okay, when we are studying economics, okay, there is no profit and loss. We have to think that this 2 rupees is not the profit, but this 2 rupees is net indirect taxes. Now this is also known as NIT, net indirect tax. Now how you are going to find that net indirect tax? That is indirect tax minus subsidies, then you will find NIT. Now see, when we produce something, that production cost come on the factor cost only. Okay, that is the factor cost of a pen. And when we go to the market and we are going to sell it, then at that time we need, after production of a good, we need to give some amount of tax to the firm as a form of money to the government. Okay, that is net indirect tax, or this you can say simply as a tax we need to give to the government. Now for production activity to increase to increase or to encourage producers, government provided some type of subsidies to the producers. Okay, जिसको कहते हैं छूट. Okay, Now, subsidies are being provided or grants by the government so that producer could produce. It can be on the electricity bill, or it can be on the raw materials, or whatever it can be, or taxation or income taxation freedom. So these all type of freedoms are provided or grants are provided by the government side in subsidy. So whatever tax government is asking minus subsidy given by the government, that it will give you net indirect tax, and that tax you can subtract here. When factor cost plus NIT is there, then that will become market price. Understood? So again, factor cost to market price, that is plus NIT, and what is that NIT? Indirect tax minus subsidies. Okay, done. And when you want to convert market price to factor cost, then you have to do or subtract minus NIT. And what is NIT? That is net indirect tax. So we will see the whole formula once again. So first one was domestic to national, then gross value to net value, then factor cost, or that is FC, to market price, that is MP. So what we have to do when we are converting domestic income to national income, what we have to do? Plus NFIA. Okay. And when we have to convert national income to domestic income, then we have to subtract outer income, that is NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad. NFIA, net factor income from abroad, that is received minus paid. How to find NFIA? That is received minus paid. Now, when we are converting gross value to net value, simple, minus depreciation. And when we are converting net value to gross value, we simply need to add depreciation amount. Simple. Then, when we are converting factor cost to market price, what we have to do? We have to add net indirect taxes. NIT has to be added. And when we are converting market price to factor cost, we have to find out the market price to the factor cost. Then, how we can do? Minus NIT. So when you are subtracting the tax amount from the market price, it will become factor cost. So what is NIT? That is NIT is net indirect taxes. And net indirect taxes, what will come? Then how it will come? Indirect taxes minus subsidies, and that will give you net indirect. So this is all for today. We'll meet up in the next class. Till then, thank you.